Pupunta na kami ng simbahan mga ka-goopers.
Picture.
Video-video yan. Ayan.
co-sponsors at secondary sponsors na nandito lahat. So welcome to the wedding reception of Joshua and Danica. My name is Nash Magdayaw and I will be your host for this day. Today is a very special day, not just for Joshua and Danica, but of course for their dear friends who are here to celebrate this day with us. Because this day marks the beginning of their new life together as husband and wife. Let's all give a round of applause to everyone of Joshua and Danica. When I call your name, my dear sponsors, may I request to please stand. Ayan. Palakpakan po! Yeah, palakpakan po natin hanggang makarating po sila dito sa kanilang upuan. Sila Sir Miss Danica and Sir Josh. Ayan, dito lang muna. Ayan. And now, pwede na pong umupo ang ating mga bisita. Alright. So, before po tayo dumako sa iba pa pang programa, of course, the mother of the group, ayan, to dance po ng kanya pong son. Ayan. Pwede ba? Pwede dito? Ayan. Para hindi tayo mag-ano. And after po ng dance na to, ay of course, first ever dance po ni Joshua and Danica as husband and wife. Ayan, dito po kayo sir. Ayan, pahingin na lang po ako ng music DJ, sweet music. Ayan. Ay sa kanyang daddy at mommy. Ayan. Alright. And this time, ayan, Josh, pahatid na lang si mama mo dito sa kanyang seat. And of course, this is also a prosperity dance. Ayan. This time, pwede niyo pong ilabas ang inyong mga purses and wallets to financially bless our couple. Ayan. Pwede nyo rin sabitan ng susi ng bahay, kung meron. Susi ng sasakyan.
Tama na lang doon.
Meron po sa meron po and Danica, right? And 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, Joshua and Danica. Ayan. Alright, bottom.
The greatest things of all is love. So, ang advice ko is, as a parent, be the center of your life kay si God. So, ayun, sabi nga ng marami, normal lang yung, yung mag-away. Parang Ricardo lang yan eh. So, hindi masarap yung hindi nag-aaway kasi pag magluto ka, walang bitsin. Walang magic sarap. So, pag nag-aaway, ayun nga, may nagsabi dyan na wag dapat lumubog yung araw. Sorry lang, hindi ko nagawa yun.
Binalik sa sarili.
Marami kasi ako noon na mahilig kasi ako maglaba na parami yung pride na napili ko yung sabong. Honestly, ayun, iba ba ang pride? Everything na ang hirap mag-advise na.
Hindi kasi Papa Jack. Tapa po. Yan. Okay. Lipat-lipat. Oh, happy. Bis ka na? Ha? Bis ka na? Ulit ka na ng damit?